Okay, so we got it attached to the thing here. Now we wrap it around the back.
All right, so
yeah.
So we're gonna try this country style.
Yeah.
We just took and rigged the chain around it, and this should work. So
yes,
we're gonna try it.
So here we go. It's already kind of off, but cranked it a little bit. Scared the crap out of me.
The chain is actually smashing something into the car. We have to clear.
I hate that. Just gonna stay back here.
I think what's happening is we've got too much weight on.
I mean, we're off, but
We're off here, but we gotta somehow get. We're so tight. We're pinched up against the. We're pinched up against.
the back firewall.
Yeah, like the car's here, and we're pinched like that.
Yeah.
So.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, that's
What?
Oh, and we're as far as we can go here.
That's my dog. We got water. Don't worry about it.
Hey, Wyatt,
Yeah.
on the back, you need a small piece of wood.
Small piece of wood. How small? How small?
In the barn?
Yeah, how small? How small? Like a foot?
Why can't I do right off the engine there?
2x4? What? I'll just go get a small 2x4. Stop. What? It's early, my guy. But, just gonna go get myself some wood. There's our other Camaro. That's that. Let's see. I don't know. Here's a piece of wood. Jeez. I'll go look back here. When I come back, the engine's gonna be on the floor dead. Where's the wood? No, we had no wood. Where did we put all the wood? Yeah, here. Can y'all still see me? I'm joking. We're gonna have to put the phone down for a minute. Just enjoy the ceiling for a minute. Just for a minute. That piece of wood's not good. How? Yeah. I'm looking for a piece of wood. What? Where?
Oh, wait, that might be one. Are you recording on this?
Yes. This is a long one.
Well, stop it.
Why?
Because we don't need it.